Hey there, digital traveler. Today, let me introduce you to LTX Video, an open-source AI video generator that's crazy fast, surprisingly good, and best of all, runs locally on your machine. Yeah, even if you're not rocking an H100 from NASA. Walk through how to install it in ComfyUI and show you how to get it working, just a plug-and-play workflow. And of course, a live demo so you can see it in action. First, let's download the LTX model. They provide a development version that we'll use today, along with a distilled model that the developer claims runs extremely fast, requiring only 8 steps. However, the final output quality will be lower compared to the development model. As described, the LTX model can generate video at 30 frames per second. While you're waiting for the model to download, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and keep creating great content. Next, we'll download the text encoder model, which is based on Google's T5 architecture. Many video and image generation models use T5 for text encoding, so if you already have it, there's no need to download it again. First, the LTX model should go into the model's checkpoints directory under your ComfyUI root folder. In my case, I created a separate LTX folder inside checkpoints to keep things organized. Second, place the T5 model into the model's text encoder directory. Everything is in place. Now we can move on to the next step and prepare ComfyUI to run our model. In the LTX repository, there's a section called ComfyUI Integration. Click on that link. It will take you to the custom ComfyUI node that we need to install in order to use LTX within ComfyUI. To install the custom node, all we have to do is copy the repository name. Open the ComfyUI Manager, then click on Custom Nodes Manager, paste the repository name, and click Install. Wait for ComfyUI Manager to download the nodes and install the dependencies. Once it's done, it will prompt you to restart. In my case, I've already completed these steps. Now back to the custom node GitHub repository, ComfyUI LTX Video. We will download the workflows that we will run to generate videos. By the way, to generate videos, ComfyUI uses another custom node called ComfyUI Video Helper Suite. If you don't have it, please install it. The installation steps are similar to how we installed the LTX custom node. All the preparations are done. Let's go ahead and download a text-to-video workflow. Similarly, we'll download the image-to-video workflow. Now, place each workflow in a separate ComfyUI frame. And we're all set to go. Let's start creating the video. We'll start with a text-to-video generation process. Let's take some time to understand this workflow and the nodes present here. The checkpoint node will load the LTX Safe Tensor model. Load clip node will load the T5 Safe Tensor model, and we make sure to set LTX in the type. LTX Prompt Enhancer node will load Llama LLM. This is used to enrich your prompt. LTX require a detailed prompt to return a good result. This node will also download the model, so if it takes a long time for the first start, it is normal. Here, we're going to generate a video of a cat sleeping, as described in the prompt. The prompt enhancer will help refine the prompt for better results. Our video will have a resolution of 768 by 512 pixels, and a total length of 97 frames, which is roughly 3 seconds long. Another parameter you can tweak to get different results is the seed. You can either set it manually to a specific value or change the fixed attribute to random to generate a new result each time. The case sampler select is also a very important node to tweak for different results. It's currently set to gradient estimation, but it's worth experimenting with other samplers. Personally, I've tried Keras, DPM++, and Euler, though I didn't notice a significant improvement in my case. The model speed is truly impressive. we're able to generate a video in just a few seconds. On my hardware, the entire workflow took less than a minute to complete. The model successfully understood the prompt and generated a sleeping cat, even adding a cozy, relaxing background. However, it looks like our cat is missing some details. In the next run, I decided to remove the prompt enhancer and use ChatGPT to refine my prompt instead. I also chose to generate a scene similar to one of the examples provided in the official LTX GitHub repository. I generated a landscape scene featuring an old man who looks like a cowboy walking through a field, and the result was significantly better. Next, let's run the image-to-video model using the workflow we downloaded earlier. This time, I'll keep the prompt enhancer enabled. In the case of image-to-video generation, it helps the model better understand the context. I also set the number of frames to 121, which results in a 5-second-long video. So let's run the workflow. It will take a few seconds to process the prompt, using the prompt enhancer, then start generating the video. I will speed up the video so no need to wait for the whole process time. Just don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Here we are, and this time, the result is quite impressive. Our 5-second video was generated in under a minute, and the quality is really solid. Finally, the LTX model is impressively fast. You can generate videos at 30 frames per second with a resolution of 1216 by 704 in about 1 minute. However, based on my test and the use cases we've explored together, this model performs best when used to generate landscape scenes or talking avatars. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.